everybody. It is currently 7 o'clock in the morning. I am in Puerto Aysen, and today I'm going on a glacier tour. And it is freaking cold. It's I think 0 right now. And I'm severely underdressed, but I think when the sun comes up, I'll be okay. And we are just about to start boarding. Are you excited? Are you excited? ¿Estás emocionado? Excited? Sí. ¿Sí? Hola, buenos días. Hola.
Buenos días, Grupo Conrad.
It is now 8:30 and we finally just left the dock, and we are on the way to San Rafael Lagoon, and that's where we're going to see all the glaciers. The boat's pretty sick. We're about to have breakfast service and then we're free to roam the boat. Alright, we're going to check the deck. Let's go. Right now, and we've been traveling for a few hours. Pretty much been sitting upstairs on the deck. It's fantastic here, but the only issue is right now we're finally entering where the glaciers are, so I'm not allowed to go upstairs, but when I do, it's gonna be sick. So I'm currently sitting in the kids movie theater because it's got the best view, and yeah, we should be arriving in another hour or so to the actual glacier. Then we're going to embark on some little boats to take us around the actual glacier. So that will be pretty exciting. We just had lunch, which is fantastic. They actually served us salmon fillets with what do you call it, scalloped potatoes, a Caesar salad with chicken in it, and I don't know what the dessert was. It was like a creme caramel but coffee flavored. I've had 3 coffees and I'm still exhausted, so I'm probably gonna have like 3 more. And yeah, I've taken a lot of photos. We've seen some dolphins, some seals jumping out of the water, a bunch of ducks flying around us, but every single time I pull up my camera, they all disappear. So like everything vanishes. There's no sign of life anywhere. Yeah, I'm stoked. Another hour and we're there. Maybe I'll try and take a power nap. Probably won't happen at all. I'll close my eyes for a solid minute, and I'm just too excited to rest or close my eyes in general. So yeah, for now, I'll enjoy the view from here. Okay, so we are approaching some actual ice in the water in our departure point to San Rafael Glacier in Laguna. And there is first bits of ice. What do you think, Christian? Your first experience here?
It's
really good.
I am a Chilean person, but this moment is very important for me.
Very important.
De flores bordados, es la copia feliz del Edén. Majestuosa es la blanca montaña.
So this is the national anthem. We have arrived. What do you think? It's a thumbs up. It is pretty insane being here. I just saw some of the ice fall off the wall of the glacier. But we're currently just waiting to go down in our boats. So just gotta wait a little while for our boat to pick us up, and then we're gonna take a little cruise by the glacier over there. This whole thing just seems surreal. I think 3 days ago I was in 35-degree weather, and now it's 1 degree. I miss the winter.
Preguntas, consultas. Ya, vamos a revisar los chalecos. Voy a ir pasando uno a uno, ¿ok? Muy flaco usted, ¿eh? Pero vamos a ir a revisar. Denme un segundo.
Mira que se puede retirar ya, lo va a ver.
Welcome to Chile.
Welcome to Chile. He's from Colombia.
Eso, Támesis.
¿Primero tiempo fuera de Colombia? Yeah.
Sí,
¿Te gusta?
primer vez. Cali es muy rico. Conocer es maravilloso. Beautiful.
It's beautiful. It's first time outside of Colombia and he loves it. And he's soon to be the new mayor of
Támesis.
Támesis. The new mayor of Támesis.
Támesis, Antioquia.
Antioquia.
Eso.
¿Cerca de Medellín?
El glaciar está muy bonito, tienen que estar siempre muy atentos
sí, sí.
a la pared glaciar,
3 horas.
ya que ahí ocurren los desprendimientos.
¿Cómo?
Ha ido a Medellín.
Sí,
¿Ya?
por 3 meses.
Ah,
Sí.
ya la conocen.
Los
Yeah.
desprendimientos
Paisa.
de los hielos
Ah,
que
soy
caen,
paisa.
eso se produce en la pared.
And as cool as it is right now, that like some of the ice is falling, it's actually really sad. It's breaking apart that fast, literally in front of our eyes. That's it. Like, pieces of ice like fall off already, maybe 10, 15 times in a half hour that we've been here. So it's kind of alarming. Yeah, it makes you really consider things. Right? ¿Verdad? Sí, ready. Best guy. That's close. The ice just rocked the little raft that we're going on. She almost fell in.
Caballero, lo mismo usted. En el costado de acá. Para atrás, caballero.
Alright, we made it on. Now on a brighter note, let's go enjoy this while we can. Just for perspective, we are 500 meters away from the glacier. That's how big it looks. The captain here started working in 2016.
No,
and it's
se ha puesto más
crack
caluroso
right
sí, con el
over there.
asunto este del
And
calentamiento
it's
global,
receded
pero
that much since he's been
más o
here.
menos lo que paré aquí,
Just insane
por debajo
for
como que
scale.
viniera un
O sea,
canal
un chapuzoncito si
que
nos
viene
podemos
de
dar.
atrás, eso, con todo lo, por donde escapa el agua que
And
se
it
va
looks like we're right beside it, but we're
derritiendo.
not. We're still pretty far. It's a little bit dangerous to get too close. That's really good day for a breeze.
¿Por qué? ¿El hielo? ¿Por qué? ¿Y qué hago si no podía tocar el hielo?
Llegó, brincó.
¿Saltaba?
Gracias. There we go.
¿Me obligaron?
¿Te gustó?
Sí, mucho.
Bueno.
¿Y tú?
Buenísimo.
Sí.
Muy bueno.
Iba a bajar a la barra, si hubiera cubierto, sacar un chocolate caliente.
What did you think?
Huh?
What did you think?
What do I think? I don't know.
So that concludes this adventure. Do your part in being as sustainable as possible so that future generations can see this
O sea, como que te refieres a
and enjoy what we currently have today. Make sure you get out there, experience the world. There's a lot to see. Never thought I'd be down here. Never in my life. And here I am. Very fortunate. Now
Un poquito de pisco.
we disembark.
Yes.
¿A dónde es Pisco?
Pisco is from Peru. Yes.
Muy bien.
Welcome to Peru and welcome to Chile
Y
and welcome to Colombia.
there we go. It has been an absolutely fantastic day. If you're ever in Chile and you get the chance to go to Coyhaique, you got to go down to Puerto Aysén and take the tour down to San Rafael National Park to see the San Rafael Glacier, because this is an absolutely incredible experience. I was in shock almost this whole trip. We were gone for a solid 12 hours. Like, it is almost, yeah, it's exactly 12 hours since we left the port, and every single part of it was enjoyable. Every single part, even in the cold, where I'm very underdressed, as you can see. I'm wearing jeans. These mountains are just magnificent, absolutely magnificent. And there's so much wildlife. We saw a bunch of seals, different types of birds, ducks, fish, and dolphins actually jumping out of the water, which is insane. So if you get the chance to go, please do, because you will not regret this. Have a nice night.